Mickey and Minnie Mouse. And don't y'all look dapper tonight. Man, they look fantastic. I would say Team Mickey or Minnie, but they're kind of a tandem, right? Yeah, I don't think you can split them up. Wow, check out that dress. Man. Minnie, you are looking beautiful tonight. So Mickey, how you doing tonight? I hear you got a really great fireworks show set for us this evening. We saw a preview earlier. We saw the early one, which was so that we could get all the kids to sleep, which is nice. All right, I got something for y'all since y'all two are up here. We got to get this going. All right, clap those hands. Here we go. All right, here we go. We're going to clap.
Welcome to the party, it's the time of the year. All our friends invited, so we starting to cheer.
Step inside the room, watch the night get active. Notice something getting strong, cause the lights
And
are
roll.
flashing.
All my fellas is ready.
All my ladies are ready.
I'm looking at the
Oh, what do you got, Mickey? What do you got? You ready for it? I got you.
It's me and you chilling, that's the trick.
So what you got?
We ready to party.
Ready to party.
Won't be late.
We won't be late.
Let's get it started, cause we
Look at your man over here writing it down.
We can't wait.
If you're excited,
You're excited.
let me hear you say.
Let me hear you.
M-I-C-K-E-Y. N-O-U-S-E.
Clap.
Come on, everybody, get your ears on. It's a good, 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 good time. Oh yeah, we're gonna dance all night. It's a good, 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 good time. To the east side, right to the west side. Celebrate God, party with the best side. Everybody, get your ears on. It's a good, 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 good time.
Man, that was good. My hip versus sticks to it. Maybe we do a little Minnie versus Mickey right now. Go for it. Come on. I need y'all to wave those hands back and forth to me right now. Come on. Y'all gotta do for Mickey and Minnie right now. Make them feel the love. You ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! One more time! Oh my goodness! Oh, look at you being so shy. Come on! Sing it, let's go, Magic Kingdom! Minnie, your turn, let's go! Alright, you ready? Now wave it one more time. Now clap. So, Mickey, I'm Nick. Is that what's here?
It's Mickey.
Oh, I thought you said Nicky. All right. Hey, Magic Kingdom, do me a favor. Mickey, Minnie, come right down here to the center. Strike a nice little pose for us. We just got a message that they need you backstage. They got to get some things taken care of as the fireworks get closer and closer. Hey, do me a favor. Audience, make some noise for Mickey and Minnie Mouse, y'all. That's right. Thank y'all. One more time, Mickey and Minnie, right here, Castle Stage New Year's Eve. Who's having some fun out there?
Welcome back to the stage, Chip and Dale. Take it back. Oh, what? All right, I got a question for you. The boys are back. Do you know which one's Chip and which one's Dale? All right, I'll give you a hint. Chip has a chip and chocolate chip nose. Chip and Dale. I don't think they were expecting you. What do you say? We teach them a little dance, and then we do it all together. What do you say? Okay, all right. No pressure. But Magic Kingdom, you know the Chipmunk Shuffle. It goes a little bit like this. You're gonna go 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left, 4 kicks, turn and do it again. Now, sometimes Chip and Dale get a little lost, but we're all gonna stay together on this one, right? All right, Magic Kingdom, are you ready? Put those hands up. Let's do it. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Kick it. Turn and face strong. Go right. To the left. Kick it. Yes, stay tuned. Oh, making trouble at every party. Let them hear you scream. Put those hands up in the air, Magic Kingdom. Hup, 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 hup. Oh, look at the spotlight on the Chipmunks. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Wow. Okay, this is a test. Do you still remember Magic Kingdom? Which one is Chip? Yes, you're right. Which one is Dale? All right, we're not gonna pick favorites, but let me hear you scream for Chip. Let me hear you scream for Dale. Magic Kingdom. What? No, you two are best friends. Oh, Magic Kingdom, give them an aw. Wave goodbye to Chip and Dale. But you're really just saying see you later, because once they check on that, they're gonna be back here to party with us. Oh yeah. Goodbye, boys. Adrian, the #1 duck, and Daisy to the dance floor. No way. That's right. We've got these perfect birds of a feather. Oh, we got the best birds of a feather right here. Magic Kingdom, let them hear you. Everything the light touches is a party right here. Lift it again. Now remember, anything you picked up, you must put down equally as carefully. And now, Donald and Daisy, are you ready? Because everyone seems to be standing a little bit too still, if you agree. So, we're gonna change that. Party rock, not to be confused with pride rock. Very different, very different. Let's go. What?
Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time.
You better be having a good time. I mean, what? We got the number one duck! And Donald Duck. Wait. Oh, yeah, I mean. Let's go, let's go!
We just want to see it.
What? Shake that. Magic Kingdom, drama. Like the 30th of December. I think you're making them go, oh, Magic Kingdom, everyone say, oh. Oh. Now, put those hands up in the air and wave to Donald and Daisy, because they gotta go check on those fireworks. Yeah, I'm telling you, don't let them get messed up. Pluto was back there eating half of them. It's a whole big thing. Everyone wave, bye. But you're really saying, see you later, 'cause